and welcome to our Teen Stress Less Kit demo with the Public Library of Brookline. My name is Robin, and I'm a teen librarian at the Brookline Village Library. I'm here today to show you all how to make decorated glitter jars. Is this your first Public Library of Brookline To Go program? Here's how it works. Each month, the library is offering new take-home program kits, complete with everything you need to follow along and video or written instructions created by one of your local librarians. The best part? Absolutely no due dates. You can keep everything included in your kit. Visit brklib.com to go for a full list of our current kit offerings and follow the link there, or visit brklib.com/eventbrite to reserve yours for free pickup at any library location. Now let's get going. For this month's kit, you will get a small glass jar, some glitter glue, a jar full of loose glitter, a bit of yarn, and some cotton fabric, as well as a gold pen. You will need to provide some water and a pair of scissors. First, you want to take the glitter glue and empty it into the jar. You can squeeze out a good amount of it just through the regular nozzle at the top, but you'll find that it's a little bit hard to get all of the glitter glue out. You can put a little bit of water inside the tube if you need to rinse it out, and that will help loosen up the glue that's inside. But in the end, the easiest way to do that is to snip off the bottom end of the glue, which is the wider end, and then that will let you empty the rest of the glue into the jar. And remember to put the cap back on the top of the glue, or else you'll end up having the glitter glue everywhere. You need to add a little water that can help loosen up the glue inside the tube. Once you've gotten as much glue out of there as you can, then add the glitter. So very carefully open the glitter jar, remembering that glitter will get on everything and will get everywhere if you are not careful. So take it slow, and then pour all of the glitter into the jar with the glitter glue. Then you want to add water so that you can mix them all together. You don't have to fill it up all the way at first. You'll want to be able to combine the different types of glitter. You can use the included straw to stir all of the glitter into the water and try to dissolve the glitter glue into the water, as well as to distribute the loose glitter. Once you've got enough water in there and the glitter there, you can also just shake it in order to really mix together both the liquid glue and the loose glitter. The glue itself should dissolve slowly into the water, and as you can see, you may get some foam inside the tube, but that's okay. You'll be able to let that settle over time. Keep adding water so that you can fill it all the way up to the top. As you can see, there's still a little bit of foam, so it's a good idea to just let it evaporate. Next, we've given you the gold pen so that you can decorate the outside of the jar. There are a lot of different options here. You could write just your name, you could write poetry, you could write anything you'd like onto the bottle. And in this case, I decided to do some tentacles to give it a kind of nautical undersea sort of flavor. The gold will add a nice design to the bottle, and you can do whatever you'd like freehand. You could do just a pattern in terms of geometric designs or circles. You can watch the glitter go behind the design. Make sure you leave enough time for the gold itself to dry, and you can always go over it again with another layer if you need it. You can see with the glitter jars that the glitter will always settle. If you leave it sitting there, the glitter will settle to the bottom of the jar. The other thing we've included in this month's kit to decorate your jar a little bit would be to use the fabric to create a little top for the jar. So first you just want to cut a circle with the fabric that you've been given. It does not have to be a perfect circle, it can just be rounded however you'd like, but it's mainly so you can figure out where you need to put the lid of the jar and position it so that you can tie it over the top. And once you've got the circle, you just need to kind of fold it down to make sure that it will stay on top of the jar. And then this part takes a little bit of coordination. You want to hold down the different sides of the fabric, and then you loop the yarn around the top and secure it down by just tying a knot. And this does take a little bit of work. You want to make sure that all of the fabric stays down. And then you can tie the knot and then tie that into a bow if you'd like. And then once it's tied, you can also do something interesting with the fabric. In my case, I decided to trim the edges of the fabric that were sticking down to be a little bit like tentacles, so they're a little smaller strips of fabric. And then this is your glitter jar. So once it's done, you can leave it on your desk. Just look at it. It also makes a fun gift for someone if you want to give them something that they can admire and relax with. Thank you all so much for relaxing with us today. Mark your calendars for Monday, May 10th at 7 p.m. to reserve next month's kits. Our May Stress Less kit will be an origami suncatcher kit, and our May fandom kit will be a Totoro crochet project. The Tween and Teen Kits program is generously sponsored by the library trustees and the Friends of the Brookline Public Library. We would love to see what you made with your kit, so please feel free to share your project with us on social media using the hashtag BRKLIB2Go.